This video is going to focus on using the Kami online software to annotate on a PDF and recording with Screencast-O-Matic. In here, I searched for a PDF in my Google Drive, and I am going to use the little open with option at the top to say annotate with Kami. If this is not already a part of your drive, you can use the connect more apps option at the bottom and add Kami as a connected app. Through here, Kami allows us to pinch to zoom using our touchscreen. When you start, it may initiate saying, do you want to use a 30-day free trial? It unlocks all the tools for you. You can use that. If you don't want to, the highlight and several of the other marking tools are still available as a part of the free Kami. So as you can see here, I have a highlighter, which is selected. I also have a drawing option, and then some other annotation tools, but my most important ones for me are my markup with my highlighter and my drawing to circle, annotate, or write with my finger. So here I'm going to use my highlighter. I'm actually going to use the box highlighter to select my subheadings. And then I would talk to my students about why the subheadings are important. I might use my drawing tool again to talk about and circle different numbers. Why are some spelled out? Why are some written in number form, percentages, and talking about different text tools and usage and what it means throughout the document. I can use two fingers to scroll up and down or pinch, zoom in and out. As on my touchscreen while I'm recording. And all of this is then savable, so I can save a PDF into my drive, or I can download my work with my annotations or without them, and export them so that they stay as a PDF file that can then be shared with my students if I liked. This is all, again, being done using the Kami web software and Screencast-O-Matic.